Alright, so you want to learn how to do pull splits just like that one? Now stick with me, I'm about to tell you. If you don't already know how to blow and push O's solidly, you can go back and check out my previous tutorials on how to do that, which were done a little while ago, but they have the relevant information. Now, assuming that you do know how to push and blow a decent O, or blow and push, assuming you can blow and push a decent O with either one or two hands, it doesn't really matter. The most important thing now is getting into the technique. So first things first, a common misconception with pull splits is that it's all about the pull. Now this simply isn't true. A lot of people I've noticed seem to think that you gotta rip them apart as hard as possible. And while I do like to rip them apart as hard as possible, because it's fun and it looks cool, or at least I think it looks cool, it's actually not about that. The truth is, it's all about timing. So, most importantly, when and how you inhale on the O, and then when you pull apart your hands. You can pull them apart kind of soft and lazy, or you can rip them apart as hard as you want, as long as you get the timing correctly. So what I'm going to do right now is quickly replay that pull split, but in slow-mo, so you can have a look at the timing of the inhale and the timing of the pull. Okay, so now you've had a quick look at the timing of when to inhale, how much to inhale, and at which point to pull. I'm going to break it down for you. First of all, with your inhale, you want to lean into it about 5%. So I mean, just a little bit. It's almost imperceptible. You've got your O pushed, you push into the O, so you're breathing in, you push into the O a little bit. You've got your O like this, and you see the top will bend in just a little, just like that. And then pull up slightly more, maybe 15%. So you're gone, and you want your O to basically stay in more or less the same place, but stretch so that it's vertical like that. Then, once the O is stretched and vertical, you got your hands in the middle, and you just pull them apart at that point of verticality, when the O is just like this. From there, it's simply a matter of personalization and style. You can do it with one hand, you can do it crossways, you can do it the other way. It's up to you. You pull apart as much as you like. Personally, I like to go arms wide or back like this so that it pulls apart hard and even will push off your chest a little bit and spread out further. Now honestly, that's pretty much it. It's a relatively simple trick. So I hope this video helped, and if you have any questions that I didn't quite cover on how to do this trick, please let me know. You can also check me out on Instagram at metal_and_tricks, which I'll have up on the screen. It's metal_n_tricks. And until next time, it's Sam Lane here. Have a good one, guys.